Smoke from the massive wildfire in Collier County starting to hurt our air quality.
It was difficult to be outside.
And the fire is still 0% contained.
My clothes smelled like smoke too.
We're taking you live to a national fire tearing through Collier County ahead at 5.
An explosive threat or smoke and mirrors? Why a courthouse was forced to clear out.
I see people flooring all the time.
Taking a stop sign as a suggestion. See this master class in bad driving right now at 5. Breaking news, the wildfire just off Alligator Alley in Collier County has now burned 30,000 acres in the Big Cypress Preserve. Now crews say a new line of defense is in place to keep the flames from doing major damage. Thank you for counting on Gulf Coast News at 5. I'm Peter Bush.
And I'm Christy Soto. The inferno is 0% contained right now. It's burned nearly 46 square miles off of I-75. Now, for some perspective, this fire is larger than the entire island of Sanibel, which is about 33 square miles. It's even bigger than the city of Fort Myers. The fire has it beat by 6 miles. Gulf Coast News is getting you team coverage on this massive inferno. Your chief meteorologist, Allison Ray, joins us in the studio tracking the winds that could impact where this smoke goes. But first, Gulf Coast News reporter Alexa Velez is live on the front lines of this firefight.
I can tell you guys that the conditions are looking much better today than yesterday. We had actually driven down the alley and the smoke was so thick, it was hard to see the cars in front of you, but I'm gonna get out of the way so you can take a look. Just take a look down the alley and you can still kind of see the haze in the distance. On the horizon, it's looking hazy too, but we're not seeing those big plumes of smoke today, just little ones popping up in different areas. Nothing compared to last night when troopers had to actually shut the alley down.
You could definitely look down the straightaway and the highway and see this haze across the highway. So it was pretty bad.
Neil Estano is staying in Everglades City. He says the smoke reached them all the way over there, and he took this shot of what looks like a mushroom cloud.
It was difficult to be outside. Scratchy, as I said, just my eyes are scratchy, and it just, you could smell the smoke. Actually, my clothes smelled like smoke too. It was that thick, and the visibility was pretty bad.
The National Park Service said this morning the fire is burning about 30,000 acres, and it still remains 0% contained. Why is that? We're on day 5 of this fire, so I asked Big Cypress National Preserve, and they said containment means they're making a secure line around the fire so flames don't cross over I-75. Right now, there's still significant fire activity south of Alligator Alley, and they're not ready to say those lines will hold. Our dry and windy conditions certainly aren't helping either.
There's a crunch when I walk outside. It's dry, and it's probably going to be like that from what I've lived here my whole life, so it's going to be like that for maybe a little while longer.
Alligator Alley is open right now, but troopers say they're monitoring the conditions slowly and they could shut down some lanes if the smoke gets too dense. That's the very latest. Reporting live in Collier County, I'm Alexa Velez, Gulf Coast News.